laser focus, a ton of drive, and maybe even a bit of obsession. It's what it takes to hone your craft. We're Mallard Manufacturing, and we've been harnessing the most powerful force in nature for over 60 years, and we're just getting started. We're your gravity flow storage experts, building pallet flow, carton flow, and gravity conveyor solutions that move your business forward. And if you think we're crazy about gravity, our customers will tell you we're even more passionate about helping you get the most from your warehouse space while driving the efficiency you need to get those orders out the door faster. How do we do it? We combine the right mix of material handling and manufacturing know-how with quality materials and the latest in tooling and automation. We finish it off with the very best team on the planet. But we don't stop at superior manufacturing. Our in-house testing lab is the heart of our operation, ensuring smooth sailing when your system arrives and is installed. That's how we build exceptional, cost-effective products that deliver results. At Mallard, every project is unique, every solution one of a kind. If 6 decades of gravity flow manufacturing has taught us anything, it's that not everyone can do what we do, and we're darn good at it. Let us prove it to you.